Welcome to this presentation on ADO LLM, Analog Design Bayesian Optimization with In-Context Learning of Large Language Models. This research was conducted by Yuxuan In and published in 27th October 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Analog circuit design is a complex and expertise-intensive process that hinders design productivity. Bayesian optimization (BO) is a machine learning technique used to automate analog design, but it can be computationally expensive and data-intensive, especially for high-dimensional problems. This paper introduces ADO-LLM, a novel framework that combines large language models LLMs with Bayesian optimization for analog design optimization. The ADO LLM framework integrates large language models LLMs with Bayesian optimization BO for analog circuit sizing. It comprises four main components: a Gaussian process-based Bayesian optimization GPBO proposer, an LLM agent, a high-quality data sampler, and an HPSPIA simulator. Initially, the LLM agent uses its pre-trained knowledge for zero-shot design point generation. The ADO LLM framework was evaluated on two analog circuits, a two-stage differential amplifier, and a hysteresis comparator. For both circuits, ADO LLM achieved a higher figure of merit FOM and met all design specifications, outperforming standard GPBO and a standalone LLM agent. For the two-stage differential amplifier, ADO LLM achieved the highest FOM and satisfied all specifications, unlike the baselines which missed at least one. The results demonstrate that ADO LLM effectively synergizes the strengths of Bayesian optimization and large language models for analog circuit design. BO provides systematic exploration and diversity, while LLMs inject valuable domain knowledge and generate more informed initial designs and iterative suggestions. The LLM's ability to understand circuit structures and design trade-offs, coupled with the curated high-quality demonstrations, significantly enhances the optimization process. This paper presented ADO LLM, a novel framework integrating large language models LLMs with Bayesian optimization BO to automate analog circuit design. ADO LLM leverages LLMs domain knowledge for informed design point generation and uses BO for systematic exploration.